Before buying Freshdesk, there are 12 key things you need to know. While Freshdesk is a popular help desk software, it's important to understand how it compares to other options like Zendesk or Zoho Desk and whether it truly meets your needs. Let's break down what makes it stand out and where it might fall short. First thing you should know is that Freshdesk offers a user-friendly interface. It's easy to navigate, which can be a huge plus for teams that don't have time to train everyone on complex systems. But while it's simple, that doesn't mean it lacks powerful features. For instance, its ticketing system is intuitive, letting you track and manage customer queries easily. Next thing to note is its multi-channel support. Freshdesk integrates well with email, phone, chat, and even social media channels. This makes it easy for your support team to engage with customers across multiple platforms. If you're comparing it to Zendesk, though, you'll find that Zendesk offers more advanced features for large enterprises, like custom reporting. Freshdesk is more suited for small to medium-sized businesses. The third thing to consider is the automation. Freshdesk includes workflow automation, which helps streamline repetitive tasks. This can save your team a lot of time by automatically categorizing tickets, assigning them, or sending follow-up messages. If automation is your top priority, however, you might want to look at Zoho Desk, which offers more customization in this area. Moving on to integrations, Freshdesk supports a wide range of third-party apps like Salesforce, Shopify, and Slack. These integrations can help you keep all your tools in sync and maintain seamless workflows. However, Freshdesk's marketplace isn't as extensive as some competitors like Zendesk, which offers a greater selection of third-party integrations. The fifth thing you need to know is about the pricing. Freshdesk offers a free plan with basic features, making it a great option for startups. However, the paid plans can get pricey if you need advanced features. Compared to Zoho Desk, Freshdesk can feel a little more expensive, especially if you need multi-brand support. The sixth thing is its reporting and analytics capabilities. Freshdesk provides detailed reports, but if you need advanced analytics or custom reports, this might not be the best fit. Competitors like Zendesk offer more robust reporting tools. Next thing to consider is the self-service options. Freshdesk has a knowledge base feature, allowing your customers to find answers on their own. This can reduce the load on your support team. But when compared to other tools like Zoho Desk, Freshdesk's knowledge-based customization options aren't as extensive. The eighth thing to know is its scalability. Freshdesk is a solid choice for small businesses, but as your company grows, you might find that it lacks some enterprise-level features that other software offers. If you're planning for rapid growth, you might need to consider more robust solutions like Zendesk or ServiceNow. The ninth thing is customer support. Freshdesk offers 24/7 support across multiple channels, including chat, email, and phone. That's great, but Zendesk's support team tends to be more responsive, especially for users on higher tier plans. The 10th thing to consider is its mobile app. Freshdesk offers mobile support for both iOS and Android, which is useful for teams that need to manage support tickets on the go. However, Zendesk and Zoho Desk provide more advanced mobile functionality, which may be more beneficial for larger teams. Next, Freshdesk supports custom workflows, allowing you to tailor processes to your team's needs. However, if you're looking for a deep level of customization, you might feel limited by its simpler rules compared to tools like Zoho Desk, which allow for more complex rule building. The 12th and final thing to know is that Freshdesk is generally well suited for businesses looking for a simple, cost-effective help desk solution. It's great for smaller teams and companies, but for more complex or larger scale operations, you might want to look into alternatives like Zendesk, which offers more advanced capabilities. Overall, Freshdesk is a solid help desk software for smaller businesses looking for an easy-to-use and affordable solution. But if you're looking for more advanced features, better customization, or a more robust set of tools, our recommended solution might be a better fit. You can try it for free, so be sure to check it out.